and let's get to Disney World! Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. As the title suggests, today I am going to be filming a travel vlog with me. So we're heading to the airport in about an hour. I have some last minute things that I need to get done. So if you haven't watched my pack with me video, please, I'll link it above or below or whatever. Go take a look. And let's get to Disney World! It's so exciting.
I feel like I'm afraid to say how I feel, to know I let you down. 'Cause late nights turn to days, don't wanna let you down. With each breath we give away, it'll never be the same. I'm chasing somebody who won't ever ease the pain, but I don't want half of your heart.
Well, we made it to Disney and I am officially checked in. So to give a little bit of a recap, and I'm gonna go sit down over here because it's so cute. To give a little recap, the flight was good. We actually ended up making it much faster than we originally were scheduled to, which was pretty good. I was on a full row, but that's okay. I just want to say, Uber drivers in Orlando, top tier, top tier. The man got out, put my bag in the trunk. That does not happen in Chicago. They say you get your own bags in the car. So Uber drivers are top tier, and yeah. So I'm not sure how exciting or entertaining this vlog is going to be, considering I didn't film too much in the airport, but nonetheless, I figured I'd do a little room tour. So we are staying in building 27 in Port Orleans. We have room 2744 and it's super cute and adorable, and I really hope that I go back. Well, I'm gonna go back and get some B-roll footage of just walking through the hotel. It was beautiful and there were so many different like food areas, and I'll have to check out the shops, you know me. But anyway, let's get into the room tour. So I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna flip you around. So this is the view from the door. So we booked essentially a 5-sleeper technically, but 2 queen beds, and then there's a pull-out that I'll pull out and show you. But let's do a quick pan over of the room. Don't mind my stuff over there. So you get a little coffee and chairs, which is super adorable. It looks like you have Mickey's towels with a little Port Orleans souvenir. Oh, it's from the housekeeping. Oh, that's stinking adorable. So super cute. I'll leave that for Mackenzie to see. And it's definitely, obviously, New Orleans themed. So I love the little touches of like the frog footprints. Would that be a frog footprint or a crown? I don't know. Super cute lighting. Of course, we've got a mirror and our lovely Port Orleans resort welcoming us. And this is like themed to be a shipping crate. And it's super adorable. So Willie Ink Company on the drawers. So it's like a super cute little thing, and like there's drawers underneath here, and like this acts as like a couch thing. And let's see how easy this is to pull down. Ooh. Oh my God, that's so stinking cute. So if you had like a kid and, I don't like the way that sounds, but if you had a kid and wanted to do a co-sleeper, and then look. Oh, they even have Ray. They're just sleeping their lives away. Well, that's stinking adorable. I would sleep here if I was a kid. So anyway, putting that back up. It's definitely like a tad difficult, but maybe I'm just weak. So then you go over here and they've got the little coffee station. So there was an ice machine room pretty close by, so that's good. A little single serve coffee machine with Joffrey's, of course. A little place to like hang some stuff, a shelf up there. And then I thought this was super cute on the way in. It looks like lily pads and like, what are those called? I'm gonna say foxtails, but I don't think that's right. But it looks like someone just like jumped in, and it's super cute. And I'm assuming this is a fridge. I was correct. So it is a full fridge. I've been seeing them putting like beverage coolers in the room, so that's kind of nice that they actually have a full fridge. Anyway, then it does look like, so the bathroom setup is only separated by a curtain in like the sink portion, and you've got Princess and the Frog, Prince Naveen and Tiana as frogs, and then beautiful mirror. Hello. Same thing. It has like very cute like washboard touch. It's just like adorable. You've got your extra blanket over here, places to hang your stuff, and then of course you know, your safe and everything. What I did notice is, they even told me this upon arriving, you do get a housekeeping every other day. So this is very useful, because I like that they spell out check-in day versus housekeeping day, because sometimes it's very confusing, because it's like, okay, does the 2-day start before or after? I don't know. So I like that they laid that out for you. Then plenty of towels, and then you do have a closed door for the actual shower and toilet section. Full length mirror, we love it. Fit checks, hello. And then same thing, pretty decent. So this is like really interesting. It's definitely not real wood, but just adorable. So you got places to put things. Just the normal shower head. It does look like they have a line, what is that called? Whatever, a line that you can like hang your wet bathing suits if you want. Of course, we love the H2O products. So they have those, and yeah, just super adorable. So again, another little pan over. They have the Hey Alexa, and ooh, what's over here? Same thing, the drawer over here. What I absolutely, or Hey Disney, not Hey Alexa. So super cute. What I do love about all Disney resorts is they are very good at putting outlets everywhere, and like USBs too. So they had an outlet in the middle. They have outlets by the table and chairs. It doesn't look like there's outlets on this side, so you're kind of SOL if you are on this side of the bed. Let's see about the other side. There is outlets over here on the right side of the bed. And let's see what this picture is of. I don't know if you can see it very well. I'll have to close it off. The American Adventure Epcot World Showcase by Bob Sifo, 1980, from the Walt Disney World Imagineering Collection. That's super cute. So it's like a little bayou. I'll have to turn off the lights and show you, but super cute. Blue decor, and yeah, just overall super, super adorable. So that being said, I think I'm going to kind of unpack a little bit, put some stuff away, get some stuff out, make sure I can find my magic band. I had to unlock the room with my phone because I just couldn't find it because of all my stuff. I know I packed it, but I just can't find it. And then we'll probably mosey on over back to the souvenir shop, and I'll show you that a little bit, and we'll decide if I want to go to Disney Springs. I did realize that it's gonna be super dark. Like, it's already dark out, so I don't know if I want to do that by myself. Like, that was my original plan, but I just don't think I'm here early enough. So we'll probably just go shop around and then maybe grab something quick to eat before Mackenzie gets here. So I'll take you along with me, of course. Well, that was a tad bit stressful. I think I went at the absolute wrong time to go get food because there was a lot of people in there, and like, one of the things that I knew about this resort is it's very, very expansive. It's similar to like Caribbean beach style. It's just a huge resort with a bunch of people. So they have like a food court that was really cool and like very nicely set out. And there was a couple different options you could get. I got a big slice of pizza and a couple breadsticks. And then I got my resort mug for the first time. Low-key, this brings me back to me being a kid at Disney, because holy crap, did we love those things. And I saw so many kids with the mugs getting their hot chocolate, and like, girl, I was there at some point. That was one of the biggest highlights as a kid, refilling so much hot chocolate. I burned my tongue so bad on that hot chocolate, and I'm not even mad about it. So got it. We'll see how it goes. I figured, you know, this is the one trip that it would make the most sense to do, but I'll let you know my thoughts after it, if it was worth it. It was $21, so it came out to be like $22 after tax or something like that. But yeah, so I mean, the pizza was good, the food was good, the cast members were great. The resort is beautiful. I stopped by the store and they had so much. It was a huge store, and what I would have probably got if it was limited quantity was a resort pin, because I do collect those, but they had so many, so I'm not worried. I'll probably grab that later in this week. But yeah, so I'm a little tired after all of today. Mackenzie's gonna be here in about an hour. So I think I'm gonna hop in the shower, pack my park bag, and just kind of chill out for the rest of the night in the room. Maybe put on some Disney cartoons, Mickey cartoons. We'll see how the night brings, but I will catch you again in the morning for I think we're going to, I don't even know where we're going to, for a Disney vlog. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.